May 9th, 2026. Beautiful Saturday afternoon, day before Mother's Day. Let's do a quick glance of what I've done. Busy girl. We got all kinds of herbs. Today I cheated. Did want to tell you guys that. You're looking at a rosemary and a couple herbs I found these at our grocery store. They already had roots on it. They were living. So I saved myself a step with transplanting. But now we need to harvest and propagate. Do you know how many rosemary plants, thyme plants, dill plants, oregano plants if I propagate? We have catnip. We have basil, cayenne pepper. That is some broccoli. I did move some to the old garden. More broccoli. Some sugar babies. I guess we could stick with the top row. It's pretty busy. We have beans. I think that's corn and maize back there. Hillbilly tomatoes. Potatoes. That is cantaloupe. Sugar cube cantaloupe. That's our sugar cube cantaloupe. Peas. Sunflowers are in the back. We have celery, sugar pumpkins. I'm trying honeydew this year. I'm trying full grown Hell's Best cantaloupe again this year. They didn't do too good last year. That is, yep, we have two things of cantaloupe. Silver Queen corn, cauliflower. These are the Parks Whopper tomatoes from the K and Mac project. We're going in the ground soon, guys. Very, very soon. Cabbage. More cabbage. We're going in troughs. We have celery. There was some celery up there too I didn't mention. Cherokee purple tomatoes. In the back row here we have squash. And in the front we have our yellow watermelon from the K and Mac. I'll be sure to tag that. They are looking okay, but they're ready for the ground. We have bell peppers, pickling cucumbers, super sauce tomatoes, hot peppers, jalapeno peppers, Rutgers tomatoes. I had to put stuff on shelves. I was running out of room. Rutgers pomegranate tree or bush, looking lovely. Emerald peppers, keystone peppers, keystone medium hot peppers, cherry tomatoes, a hillbilly tomato, regular cucumbers, Rutgers. Romas are not too happy. The Romas and the Rutgers might redo. We're going to try some tomatillo this year. You're looking at a sugar baby watermelon that'll stay in here, sugar pumpkin, and a sugar cube cantaloupe. We have Roma tomato. Again, looks, he's not, I think I'm going to do Romas again. Rutgers, my cherry tomato, Cherokee purple. Some will stay in here, some are getting moved. You're noticing that. Beefsteak, a Parks Whopper, super sauce, keystone peppers, jalapeno peppers, bell peppers, hot peppers, beefsteak tomatoes. You guys saw a lot of the herbs. Got some troughs ready. I got 4 ready today. And then I think that's it, guys. What do you think? Let's see how we do. Some are happy, some are not happy. Check out the K and Mac project. I'll put a hashtag. Thank you so much. We have 4 more trays that need to go in the greenhouse and get transplanted. Some just got done The tall ones here are sugar snap peas. That middle one is more thyme. But you guys saw my cheat earlier. Oh, we have some down here. What do we have? In front, Chicago pickling. We have some granites, yellow onions growing. Oh wow, the garden beans need to be transplanted. Some white spine cucumbers are back there. And then a currant tray. See what we can do. So if you're curious as to where most of these plants are going, you're looking at the new garden. Started last year, expanding it this year. I like to call it the food forest. Do you see this space? What can we do in this space? So if you're asking why I started so many plants, let's fill her up. Let's make a food forest. Looking at the old garden area, I like to utilize this space as an overflow. We have raspberries growing. We can at least use the leaves, even if we didn't get berries. Gonna be moved to the new forest area where it's sunnier, but that is a thimbleberry. Looking at northern bedstraw. I moved the pot there. I forgot what that is. That's not clover. More thimbleberry spreads, just so you know. It's not staying. That's the original plant. But that's thimbleberry growing all around. You have a lovely elderberry bush. We're starting to get some leaves on him. Rhubarb. I don't think you can kill rhubarb if you tried. Not the sunniest spot, but we're getting some leaves back from some of the raspberries. That's a little strawberry patch. Some more raspberry. I know, I need to trim the dead. I know. New pot. I think I might put spinach in that one. There's a little crabapple tree. Proud of my trough. Onions, overwintered. We did take the cage off, but those, wow, look at that. That's amazing. Overwintered onions in northwest Montana. Some blueberry bushes coming back. I'm trying. We'll see if we get any berries. I did make a broccoli. They're good in a shady area, so I've transplanted some broccoli out here. More raspberries. I'm in the shadow, I know. Raspberries. I started a trough with some butternut crunch lettuce. It appears we're going to get some sprouts. Let's see what happens. Trees. Extra strawberry. I know I'm blocking it. Extra strawberries. Strawberries. Even if I don't get fruit, I like to cut the leaves up and put them in my water. Alright, let's see what else we got going on. I also like to work on what I call under the step area. You're looking at our little chive section. Pops up and spreads. Remove the bed straw, but you still might get some. And this is my sage. We could already harvest some. Do you see that? Absolutely gorgeous. You're looking at sage. You can use it in your food or bundle it up, make bundles, dry it, and burn it. Alright, let's see what's on Medicine Hill. Now you're looking at a plant I researched. When I weed eated, I didn't chop it down. I think some sort of water leaf, maybe a wild geranium. Mixed in here will be some strawberry leaves. We had a strawberry little patch here. But could be a wild geranium. I'm waiting for it to flower. So I haven't done anything down here. I think I'll make more of an herb pot. This should be the feverfew. It looks like feverfew is coming back. So there is some feverfew amongst this type of water leaf, wild geranium type. I'm still researching that. I'm not sure my ginger mint's going to come back. We'll see. Did a little cleanup, much more to do, and I know I need to trim the dead stuff from last year, but you're looking at peppermint. And guess what? We have peppermint. I still have to clean up, but there are plenty of peppermint, guys. What I'm more excited about, peppermint. Oh, I didn't even show you the pots in the middle of the... Didn't even show you the pots in the middle of the garden. The old garden. I have 7 pots of peppermint, plus a cherry and a hillbilly growing in a pot. Sorry I missed that middle section. But I'm excited to show you. That's lemon balm coming back. We're in northwest Montana. I didn't trim. I know. I'll fix all this and it'll be prettier next time you see it. But look, lemon balm. That makes Tiffany very happy. I'll probably buy another one just because I love lemon balm. But look, things are popping back up. The growing season's growing great. Thank you to the K&M Mac project for sending us the Parks Whopper and yellow watermelon seeds. Appreciate that. They're doing good. Things will get moved into troughs soon outside in the food forest. Much more to come from Have Fun in Nature. So be sure to like and subscribe. We're going on adventures, and we're going to grow our own food and make our own medicine. Love you all.